Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Monday, the 8th of September, 2025. English warm-ups. It's Monday today. Washday. The day for doing the laundry. Washday starts very early. Usually at 6 in the morning. The dirty laundry is gathered, then sorted out. Colours and whites. Everyone has a washing machine, but nobody has an ironing machine. Ironing is a chore that nobody likes. I enjoy ironing shirts. I'm very good at ironing. I can iron a shirt in under 3 minutes. I iron a shirt every morning. Ironing shirts is the only good habit I have. And that's all for this week. I'll be back next week. Until then, bye-bye for now.